Okay, who are these animals again?
The Dragon Warriors.
They're dragon warriors from Kung Fu Panda?
Yeah, but this is Tigeress.
Okay, and who's the next one?
Monkey.
Okay.
This is Monkey.
But that's just pretend, right? Because that's really a tiger.
Yeah. And this is really
A monkey.
tiger there at all.
Okay. And where's Crane?
Oh,
This is Crane, okay. And who's next? We did that one. Who's this?
Viper.
Viper. And
Mantis.
Manny, the mantis. And what is
Not
Kung Fu
man-
Panda? Show me the picture of the video.
The picture of the video.
Is that Kung Fu Panda?
Yep.
And these are all dragon warriors?
No. One is the bad guy.
Oh.
This guy. is
He's the bad guy?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's cool. And you play with those every day?
Yep. But if they get lost, I look for them.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
And what do they do? What do they do?
See the Lightning McQueen backpack?
Yeah. They fight bad guys.
They do?
Yeah. And she was gonna win a Steven. They're so awesome. The Tigeress 5.
That's cool. All right, what are we doing today at school?
Gonna tell them that I'm the star of today.
Star.
Star of the day.